Welcome to Akhyar Studio, your gateway to visionary architecture, home design ideas, and inspiring interior designs. In this video, we will explore the history, principles, and elements of Japanese indoor gardens and give you some tips on how to create your own.
Whether you have a large or small space, a sunny or shady spot, or a modern or traditional style, you can create a Japanese indoor garden that suits your taste and needs. The history and culture of Japanese indoor gardens. Japanese indoor gardens have a long and rich history, dating back to the Heian period, 794-1185, when aristocrats and nobles created small gardens in their courtyards to enjoy the beauty of nature and the changing seasons. These gardens were influenced by the Chinese gardens of the Tang dynasty, but also developed their own unique style and characteristics. Japanese indoor gardens are deeply rooted in the culture and aesthetics of Japan, reflecting the values and beliefs of the people. They are often inspired by the principles of Zen Buddhism, which emphasize simplicity, tranquility, and mindfulness. They also embody the concept of wabi-sabi, which is the appreciation of imperfection and transience, and the concept of shizen, which is naturalness and spontaneity. Zen Aesthetic. The first feature of Japanese indoor gardens is the Zen aesthetic, which emphasizes simplicity, tranquility, and mindfulness. Zen is a branch of Buddhism that focuses on meditation and enlightenment. Zen gardens are designed to create a conducive environment for meditation and contemplation, by eliminating unnecessary distractions and clutter. They typically feature minimalist design with clean lines and uncluttered spaces, creating a sense of harmony and balance. Natural elements. The second feature of Japanese indoor gardens is the use of natural elements to recreate the outdoor scenery. You can use rocks, gravel, sand, moss, bonsai trees, and small water features to create a variety of landscapes, such as mountains, rivers, lakes, forests, or islands. These elements not only add texture and color to your garden, but also create a sense of realism and authenticity. They also help you connect with nature and appreciate its beauty and diversity. Balance and harmony. The third feature of Japanese indoor gardens is the maintenance of balance and harmony. This is a fundamental principle of Japanese aesthetics, which values the harmony between humans and nature, and the balance between yin and yang. To achieve this balance, you need to carefully arrange the elements in your garden, such as rocks and plants, to create a sense of equilibrium and unity. You can also use the concept of asymmetry, which means that the elements are not evenly distributed, but rather create a dynamic and organic composition. Seasonal variations. The fourth feature of Japanese indoor gardens is the reflection of seasonal variations. Japanese indoor gardens often change with the seasons, with different plants, flowers, and decorations introduced to mimic the seasonal transitions. For example, you can use cherry blossoms in spring to symbolize the beauty and fragility of life. You can use pine trees and winter-blooming flowers in winter to symbolize the endurance and hope in the face of adversity. You can also use seasonal colors, such as green, pink, yellow, or white, to create a mood and atmosphere in your garden. Symbolism. The fifth feature of Japanese indoor gardens is the use of symbolism. Many elements in Japanese indoor gardens hold symbolic meaning, rooted in Japanese cultural and religious traditions. For instance, rocks may represent mountains, which are considered sacred and powerful in Japanese culture. Water features may symbolize rivers or lakes, which are considered sources of life and purification. Bonsai trees are also laden with symbolism, representing strength, resilience, and harmony with nature. By using these symbolic elements, you can add a deeper layer of meaning and significance to your garden. Use of light and space. The sixth feature of Japanese indoor gardens is the use of light and space. Light and space are carefully considered in the design of Japanese indoor gardens to create a sense of openness and connection to the outdoors. Natural light is often maximized to illuminate and enhance the beauty of the elements. Shaded areas may be incorporated to mimic the dappled light found in a forest setting. Space is also used wisely to create a sense of depth and perspective in your garden. You can use the technique of borrowed scenery, which means that you use the surrounding views, such as windows, walls, or paintings, to extend the visual scope of your garden. Maintenance and care. The seventh and final feature of Japanese indoor gardens is the maintenance and care. While Japanese indoor gardens exude an air of effortless beauty, they require regular maintenance and care to thrive. This may include pruning and shaping bonsai trees, watering plants, raking gravel or sand to create patterns, and removing debris to keep the space clean and harmonious. However, this maintenance and care is not a burden, but rather a joy and a meditation. By taking care of your garden, you are also taking care of yourself and cultivating a sense of gratitude and appreciation for nature. Conclusion. As you can see, Japanese indoor gardens are more than just decorations. They are places where you can find solace, contemplation, and a deep appreciation for the beauty of nature, all within the confines of your own home or indoor space. If you are interested in creating your own Japanese indoor garden, you can start by choosing a suitable location, such as a corner, a shelf, or a table. Then, you can select the elements that you want to include, such as rocks, plants, or water features. Finally, you can arrange them according to your preference and taste, and enjoy the results. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more content on modern tropical house design. See you next time.